Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
So after about 7 minutes of holding the dryer on the area, this is how it's looking. What I'm gonna do is just cut away the excess lace now. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, baby. Trying to
guys, so as you guys saw, I started to just like finger comb it, and this is how it looks. You know, I love the voluminous vibe going on. You know, I did add some hairspray to it so you know it wouldn't fall too quickly, and I gave the front some layers so I could get that nice layered vibe with the curls. I'm still combing it through, but yeah, so it looks good. And you know, the ombre vibe is really pretty, really pretty. So Sterlyhair did their thing. Looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. But yeah, this is definitely a vibe. 26 inches of pretty. It's really nice. So, and I love how they gave the front here that nice little streak vibe. You know, it just adds more character to the wig overall, you know, and it's very much on trend, you know. So yeah, also I'll be dropping the specifications to the wig down below as well, so please check that out. And if I do have any discount code or anything of that sort, it will be listed, because you guys know I'm always looking out for you. Okay, shout out to Sterlyhair once more for today's wig look. The wig was all in all pretty easy to work with. As I said, I just feel like I personally would have wanted a little bit more graduation on the front, but it did lay really flat because it's not super dense. Okay, it's not super dense, so it was easy to go ahead and apply, and it doesn't look bad. It's not bulky, so that's a good thing. There is shedding, but it's not a lot, you know. It's not a lot, and you know, with proper maintenance, you should be able to maintain the level on which it sheds. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.